Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Rhino tutorial how to change line weight. So as example, I will create line. I will draw again in it and the third in the bottom. Now I will select this line and we can change for the print width. You can click here and like I will set into 1 for this line. I will set into 2 for line weight and this is default. Now if you want to see the line weight, you can click at this icon and then click on print preview. So to be automatically change and view the line weight. So I will set again this line. You can change in it print width like we set into 0, 0.3 and the line weight will be automatically changed. Okay, that's it for a basic Rhino tutorial how to change line weight. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.